In this video, I will show you how to use screen mirroring on your iPhone using AirPlay. So you can display your iPhone screen on a TV or computer in just a few taps. So first open your iPhone settings. Now tap General, and after that scroll down and tap AirPlay and Continuity. Then tap Automatically AirPlay. Now choose either ask or automatic, but make sure it's not set to never. After that your phone will be ready to find screens around you. Now let's do it. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now look for the screen mirroring button. It looks like two rectangles overlapping. If you don't see it, tap the plus icon and then tap add a control. Now search for screen mirroring and tap it to add it to the control center. Now you'll see a list of TVs or computers nearby. Now tap the one you wanna connect to. If it asks for a code, just look at your TV screen and enter the code on your iPhone and you will be connected. And that's it. After you tap your device, your iPhone screen will instantly appear on that screen. So yeah, if you got stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments, and if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.